Hey YouTube, this is Rocco, and we're down here in South Carolina, and we're getting pretty hammered right now by Hurricane Ian. I hope all my viewers are doing safe. We're doing fine, we just don't have any power right now. I'm just walking out to check on things. It's raining pretty hard. We got some Dawn limbs. We got a couple Dawn limbs right there. It's pretty bad. Winds are about 45 miles an hour right now. Just checking on some things, guys. Clean my lens off. Okay, that's a little better. I planted a garden, so I'm gonna check on my garden while I'm out here, make sure my collard plants. I hope they don't get drawn out, guys. I don't know, they're holding quite a bit of water here. Guys, I must be crazy out here in this rain, but I love the outdoors. I got to do something. Can't sit in the house with no power right now. Yeah, they flooded out pretty bad, guys. I don't know if they're going to make it or not. To all my viewers down in Florida and Georgia, man, I hope you guys are okay, because I know you guys got hit pretty hard, and I'm sending prayers out to you guys, you and your family. Hope you're okay. Woo. The rain is coming down pretty hard now, guys. Gotta go back inside. I'm soaked. But I got to check on one more plant. I planted a banana tree yesterday. I hope the wind didn't uproot it already. Let's go check on that baby. See, my trampoline is upside down totally. My banana tree is, I got a broken limb, guys. Got one broken limb right there. The dirt road is completely flooded right here. We maybe picked up 4 or 5 inches already. That's my guess. But we still got maybe 8 more hours of Hurricane Ian, guys. Hey, y'all be safe out there. This Rocco's Outdoor World. Y'all pray for us down here in South Carolina. I'm out.